Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to install and activate Akismet Spam Protection WordPress plugin. It is a plugin that will use to protect your website from spam. It will integrate with your website forms. As you can see that Akismet checks your comments and contact form submission against global database of spam so that it prevents your website from hacking or spam protection. It has your website for spam protection. So in order to install it, just go to your WordPress dashboard. From here, go to plugin because it is a plugin. So we will install it plugins and just click at the. After this, you will see the second option, second item that is Akismet spam protection. This is official plugin of WordPress by Automatic, so you can install it easily. Just click install now. As you can see, it is now installed successfully. Now we need to activate it. So just click activate button. Here you go. So you have activated this. You can you will get an email address and you will receive an API key, or if you don't have, you can set up a new Akismet account. From here you can choose your pricing, monthly or yearly, and you will receive your API key. After that, just click enter your API key, paste the API key and connect with the API key. And this plugin will automatically protect your website contact form or your website from spam comments, spam contact forms submissions. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Stay tuned for next tutorial coming soon. Thanks.